Hey everyone, this is Aarti here. Let's get some clarity on what is the combo box all about. So like you can see, there are these 9 boxes which will come in it. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and where is the ninth one? Yeah, this is the ninth one. Now let me introduce you to one single box at a time. So this is Globe Maker. Something like this the box will come. You can see the box. Now what is the final product? The final product is this. This is a paper globe made out of cardboard and hardboard, and this is a very sturdy model. This will not go anywhere. So something like this. It is a rotatable. You can keep it on the table top. Something like this will be made. Now what is unique about this globe is that there are these famous monuments and location mapped all over the world. The child will also learn about all these in this kit. Next, let us go to paper toys. So paper toys, like you can see, there will be 13 paper toys made out of this single kit. 13 paper toys. So something like this will be made. There is a cat, there is a doll, there is a rabbit, there is one joker, there is one bird, and there is a butterfly, and so on, and there is a bird again, and there is this dragon. So these are some 9-10 of them, and total you will be making 13 of them in this. Next is mini solar system. Mini solar system is a wind chimes kind of thing, and this will be a hanging solar system for the child. Now what is again unique about this? This has planets. Behind the planets you will see all the fun facts written about the planets. So the child will learn how is the solar system and what all are there. Now let us go to eco-friendly Ganesha. So like you see these cute Ganeshas, only one Ganesha will be made. I've kept 2 over here. Something like this will be made, and this is made by a 7-year-old child. So this is the kit, and something like this will be made like I showed. This is a very cute paper Ganesha will be made out of this. Puppets and masks. You will make a theatre in this Madhubani style theatre, and there will be these masks also given which the child can color, and something like this. Here can you see this wonderful theatre made? The child can narrate story of Lord Krishna and the Nag. So you see this something like this will be done. So you can actually make paper puppets and narrate a story and host a puppet show. The next one is, so this is Aquarium, Aquascape, the name of the kit, and you can see a small and a beautiful aquarium will be made out of this. The children really love this, and there are also some fun facts about fishes and all written inside. So basically it is introducing water life, underwater life to children. So you can see a very cute little aquarium over here. This is art without brush. In this, the child will learn 10 different techniques of painting in one single box. This is a compact box. So we are basically teaching the child that you need not only do painting with a brush, but you can also use fingers, comb and other mediums to brush. So there are these 10 styles of painting which will be covered. Something like this. You can see comb painting, you can see scratch painting, you can see Fevicol painting, you can see vegetable painting. Wait 1 second. Yeah, this. So something like this will be made from this, and all the techniques and everything is there inside how it is to be made. Wonder cubes. This the children really love it. These are these rotatable cubes which will be made from this box. How it is to be made is there in the box. So something like this. Let me show this to you. Wait. So this way it will rotate. You can see it rotating. So this is never ending, and the technique to make it is inside. So yeah, 1 second. Yeah. Now these are all 7 wonders of the world. The child will also learn about them. Now we have the biggest box in the composition. From this single box, 30 craft items will be made. I'll show you what is inside the box, but first let us see what is made. I have got few stuff which I can show you. So this is some animation stick which is there in the kit. The child will learn how it is made. Then this is a small puppet Then this is a diary which will be made from the kit. So something like this. Now let's open the box and see what all can be made. Let me take you through this. So let's see what is inside. All these things you can see on the table are inside the box. So I'll take you through them. These are two Madhubani bookmarks the children can color. Then this is a diary. The final product is this, and this is the raw material given. Then there are these alphabet stickers. Then there is a free compass. Then there are these two sheets. Now this is some 9 sets of photo props which the child can color. These are cute little letters and inland letters and stamps. So you can see these cute little stamps. There are seal stamp, there is a stamp, very cute stamps they are, and you can use them to make these simple cute parcels. So something like this, you can see there we've used the seal stamps and we've used the fragile stamp, and from this box it will be made. Then there are 13 origami animals the child can make from these papers, and there is a album, and there are instruction manuals, and there is a fun pack sheets about the animals the child will make. Something like this. So you can see this. Right. Now later on we have these punch circles, and like I showed you, these sticks can be made. Then we have all these extra material also given from which varied activities will be made. So this will comprise of 30 activities in one single box. So you get these 9 boxes in this combination. You can see all these kept on the table. So please connect with us if you would like to buy this. We look forward to hear from you. Thanks, and be safe.